nights I wake up cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they'd just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? Those nights I don't know anymore. That's alright. I found a martyr in my bed tonight. She keeps my bones from wandering. Just who I am, who I am, who I am. Who am I? Yeah, some nights I wish that this all would end, 'cause I could use some friends for a change. Some nights I'm scared you'll forget me again. Some nights I always win, I always win. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know. So this is it. I sold my soul for this. I washed my hands of that for this. I miss my mom and dad for this. No, when I see stars, when I see stars, that's all they are. When I hear songs, they sound like this one. This one is not for the folks at home. Sorry to leave when I had to go. Who the fuck wants to die alone, all dried up in the desert sun? I was breaking for my sister and the calm she called love. And I look into my nephew's eyes, and you wouldn't believe the most amazing things that can come from September.
Tell everybody I'm on my way. New friends and new places to see. With blue skies ahead, yes, I'm on my way. And there's nowhere else that I'd rather be. the stories that we tell will make you smile. Oh, it really lifts my heart. So tell them all I'm on my way. New friends and new places to see, and to sleep under the stars. You could ask for more, with the moon keeping watch over me. Not the snow, not the rain can change my mind. The sun will come out, wait and see. And the feeling of the wind in your face can lift your heart. Oh, there's nowhere I would rather be, 'cause I'm on my way now, well and truly. I'm on my way now.